Hey, it's Mr. Peace, and this Giving Tuesday, please consider making a donation to Mr. Peace Incorporated. We're a 501c3 nonprofit foundation, and for every dollar that you're able to contribute, it's not only going to be tax deductible, but it's going to go to benefit a school or organization with limited or no funds in order for them to be able to bring in one of our life-changing, heart-hitting assembly programs. And a part of every program is the concept that we strive to reinforce, which is that everybody is a miracle. And like the M on all of our hands, the lines on each of our hand, we have the letter M. M for miracle, like it says here on the front of the shirt. Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And what we really try to be through all these presentations is a mirror for these young people to know that they're loved, to show that unconditional love that this planet desperately needs. So this holiday season, please consider looking into your heart and being the miracle yourself by donating today.